What's going on, everybody? Been busy here swapping out this intake on the 454. Just got the distributor lined up and got that part of the timing done. Now we are waiting on a carburetor and a few other little bits and pieces here, and we should get it back together and be able to fire it up for the first time after the intake and carb swap. Here's the original intake on it, old cast iron. I mean, it's a monster. It's definitely heavy. I think somebody said it might be about, what, 30 pounds lighter. The new intake about 30 pounds lighter than one of these old cast iron intakes here. And this thing's a beast. So it ought to run a lot cooler and hopefully a little more power. Alrighty, just got a package from Jegs. Looks like the carburetor arrived. This is the AVS2. What is it? The Thunder Series 800 CFM carburetor. So this ought to do us pretty good. I'm thinking this ought to do the trick. Definitely add a little more power. So here's the first look inside the box. See if we can adjust it a little bit there. Instructions, some stickers. Looks like a gasket for an air filter and for the carburetor itself. Looks good. Let's see what this carburetor looks like here. See if we can't pull it out. Alrighty. Well, let's get this up on the hood and take a look at it. Alrighty, here it is. The AVS2 by Edelbrock. Made in the USA. 800 CFM. I'll tell you what, it's a little bit lighter than the 4-barrel quadrijet I had on it. You see the annular boosters down there, I guess that's what you call them. Look good. Well, that ought to work for me. Quick little look at it here. Looks like it'll do pretty good. Let's get a test fit of it real quick. Alrighty, I think that might be the thumbnail right there. That's gonna look good. It'll look real good. Nice. Looks good already. Hook my fuel line up there. Hook up a few other things. Get the plug wires on it. Time it, and we ought to be able to fire it up. See what it sounds like. So I think that's gonna wrap the video up, everybody. Thanks for checking it out. This is the 454 and the 77 C10. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Take it easy.